Good evening, friends, fellow traders, my students, and all my subscribers. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. Greeting you from the land of the rising sun. This is the second part of my weekly analysis. In my first part, where I analyze currency pairs, I touched gold, but I didn't give much detail. So I want to touch gold once more. Excuse me. So gold, this is the daily chart on gold. If you view the daily chart, you see that after this impulse, we have gotten 3 waves pullback, WXY, and had it been that we get another move like this, I will label it WSYXZ. But Z being an impulse wave, I can't label here Z because Z is an impulse wave. It's supposed to be something like this. And for that, gold is making a complex correction. So whenever we see a complex correction, we focus on what the immediate trade will be. Excuse me. For instance, we were thinking that we are going to get a triangle, A, B, C, D, E. Sorry. And from here, A, B, C, D, E. But the E we expected here have not happened. But as long as this level is not taken out, we can still get the ABC, the triangle. That is A, B, C, D, E. So if the triangle will form, it means that gold will sell. Let me put line here. As long as here is not taken by the buyers, once here is still intact, gold can still give us a triangle, which means we will sell gold from this place to somewhere around here. That is, it will give us a new low, anywhere below here. So that's what we will likely get. And it would be a surprise. For instance, look at this place. You can see how the market bought very fast and turned very fast again. So not every time you get impulse, you get correction. Whenever we have complex structure, you can expect anything. So, but the only thing is that if gold goes above this line, I will stop looking for sell. Right now, in lower time frame, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, I will be looking for sell on gold. So let's see 4 hours once again. Okay, you see now, after all this move, I can't buy gold from here. No, rather, I'm expecting an A, B, C. So the best way to trade is to wait for A to finish. When B develops, then you know how to trade the C. And if we get a sharp sell, it means the selling will continue, and we will get the triangle we are talking about on bigger time frame. Okay, so that's the much I can explain. I think I have explained everything on gold. So let me go to silver. Silver structure is somehow simple than to compare gold. If you look at silver structure, you know that it is going down and going down, and therefore it is easier to trade to sell silver down to this level before you're looking for buy than gold. So let's go to 4 hours since we don't have much to spend on daily. So on 4 hours, it is also simple. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave A, and this is wave B. Though even if the price drops to this level and goes up again, it is still wave B until it takes out this. So I'm expecting price to drop to this level. If this level is broken, then we get this. So you can see what I wrote here, bearish confirmation. So from conservative traders, a close below here will give us reason for sell. Then if you are an aggressive trader and you know how to spot sell setup, look for sell anywhere from this level. For instance, let me go to 1 hour. If we get a nice sell setup from here, then we can sell from here to this level and watch to know if we get a bounce. If you don't get a bounce, then surely it's going to break and the selling will continue. Platinum, the sharp sell on gold and silver did not, sorry, the sharp buy on gold and silver did not happen on platinum. So, you know, this is what we are projecting to get a move, a buy to this level, 1,227. So for that to happen, the platinum will close above this level for us to confirm that the buying now will happen. So for before then, let's see 4 hours. So 4 hours, now looking for a drop to this level to give us an A, B, C. You know, this is with A. After this drop, this buy, this ABC. You know, we are seeing in correction. So this ABC, we are looking for. It's like this ABC is W. Then we are looking for X, and the way is developing. This is A, B, C, B. Then C. When C drops, depending on where it will end, then we now label W, X, and then maybe Y will take us to that very harmonic pattern on daily. So anything on 2 hours or 1 hour, let's check. Nothing on 2 hours and 1 hour. Just watch for sell setup. For those who trade as a margin, for those who buy as an investment, you can wait for it to complete, then we buy. So that is much I can say on XTP, that's platinum. The next is pound space, pound JPY. Let's check our daily. Daily, we're looking to complete the 50 wave. Okay. But here, this is what I think will happen this place. We will get either a running flat, which means A, B, C. Then it will go up, or we get expanding flat. You know, here we have taken up. That is A, B, C, this. This is what these two things is what I'm expecting. Why am I saying this? I will not buy JPY from here. No, not. It doesn't make sense to buy it from here. So let's check 4 hours. Just what I explained with this drop shows that this moving has finished and it developed in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after every 5 waves, we get 3 waves pullback. So the 3 waves have begun to develop. Let me go to 1 hour to give more details on that. And this is wave A and C is always 5 waves. So this can still to be 1, 2, then 3, maybe 4 and 5. We get wave A, then an A, B, C, wave B, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C. So and watching out for such structure. Such structure is what I will be looking out to get before I think about buying again. The buying is there to buy, but not now. So I'm looking for a move. For a move to complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like this to happen again. Oh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then availability with A. Then I look for A, B, C. Availability with B. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And availability with C. Then I will now buy. Pound chef. Excuse me. Okay, pounds USD. Pounds USD. There's not much from what we discussed last weekend. As long as this channel has been broken, we have to be careful. I mean, selling, that is, I don't think we are going to get a new low from here. No. All I'm looking for is to sell once more, then buy for longer term. So 4 hours. In 4 hours, you can see from this place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a typical perfect example of wave A. Then wave B has ended here. Not an ideal development of wave B. So now, what am I going to do? If the price keeps going up, now if price keeps going up, maybe price keeps going from here, something like this, I will still label it with B. Even if it go above this place, still I will label it with B. Then I'll be looking for a running flat, something like this, but before they buy. Then if the price keeps selling and break this level, then I will sell and target this level before they buy. Understand? Yes. If you don't understand, join my Telegram channel and ask a question. Pounds chef. Pounds chef, there's something on Pounds chef I cannot ignore. You know, there's a kind of candle you see. If you ignore it, you pay for it. Let me zoom the chart. You see, these 2 candles. First rejection, second one. So 99.9% chances that this pair will sell. So I don't need to wait for it to break this level before I sell. I'll just enter the sell from any sell setup on 1 hour or 4 hours because of these 2 candlesticks I see here on daily. Okay. Having said that, let's go down to 4 hours. Hours, you can see this is wave A. After this impulse move, then this is wave B. The sharpness of this candle shows that wave B has ended. Or maybe let's go to 2 hours to see the chart clearer. 2 hours. Okay, we can see that this very chart is sharp. And already from here, it has made a new low. You know, those who based on lower low to trade, you can see a new low have been made. So I am looking for sell setup around here to sell, not just to this place, but lower, unless I get a bounce. If I don't get a bounce from here, the selling will go very, very far at the lower part of the market. Okay, what next? Pounds AUD or pounds, what follows? Okay, pounds card. Pounds card, what do we have about pounds card? We will either get, we are getting WXY. The whole structure is complex. It's first made a triangle here, but I don't want to go there. So let's focus on here. How do we trade? How do we trade here? A, B, C. Will it be running flat, expanding flat? I don't know yet. So let's see 4 hours. So in 4 hours, there are two things here. One, this bigger channel will complete, something like A, B, C. If that will happen, which means the selling will be much. If not, at least we're gonna get the lower ABC. That is A, B, C. Either running flat, sorry, either running flat that will end somewhere here, or an expanding flat that will end here. So now, what I'm trying to say, even if the market begin to buy to this level, yet I want to buy because it is simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which after that we get A, B, C. So I'm only looking for sell. Let me check 1 hour to know if there's anything there. There's nothing to show on 1 hour other than this is 3 waves move. So expect 3 waves move again, or bigger 3 waves. So there's no difference between the 4 hours and 1 hour. So let's go move. That's New Zealand. It's been long. I analyzed all the pound pairs. Let me try to do it today. That's New Zealand. We are looking for 3 waves move. Simple. Let's see 4 hours. So this is what I'm looking for, something like this. A, B, C, then W, X, Y, something like this. I'm looking for something like this. So if I get this type of structure, I will sell. After selling, I will look for buy. Pounds ZAR. Do you trade it? If you do, pounds ZAR. Do you trade it? If you do trade it, look for more selling in the spot I can see here. More selling, something like this. Maybe something like towards this level before they buy. So 4 hours. 4 hours, the same thing. 4 hours. 4 hours. Maybe there's no difference between 4 hours and the daily, but I don't take this, so I don't waste time on it. Pounds AUD. Let's see the daily. Okay, we are looking for 3 waves pullback again before buying. So I'm looking for sales setup on this. So this is ABC. Let me label it. ABC. So now, what do we expect? We look for another ABC, maybe something like this. And after that, another ABC to give us W, to give us W, X, Y. Then mind you, if here, because the X is not out of the structure, here can be the X. So mind you, once it goes below this level, then don't expect it to go up again here to give us the X. But I don't think it will just drop from here towards this level. I don't think it will do it will do that. Okay. Pounds JPY. Sorry. Okay, I finished pound space. Let me go to indices. US 100. US 100. What are we expecting on US 100? Let me zoom the chart to show you something. You know, US 100 have been going up for time immemorial. I mean, after all this big move, it is expected that the correction will at least make 38.2% correction. This is what I expect to happen, and that's how market used to be. So, though not a must, it will happen, or it will happen in a complex manner. Okay, so having shown you this, you now know we are looking for, this is now ABC, which means this is W. This can be X, or it will give us something here, and this will drop, okay? 4 hours will help us to get a better result. So now, 4 hours, there is something here. This is where, though in 4 hours, we are getting WXY on 4 hours, but on daily, it's just a W. But let's use WXY. Maybe if you get WXY SZ on 4 hours, we forget about, we no longer get, double correction on daily charts. Excuse me. So now, another possibility is this. You may get this. We may get a buy from here, from this level, back to this level, then down to this level. Yeah. Oh. You will get a buy from here to this level, down to this level. By then, the it will now be a perfect WXYXZ. That is 7 swings. So even if price keeps dropping, you may see it may still happen. But for now, the perfect structure will look like this. A perfect structure will look like this. I pray we get such structure, then there will be no fear in buying and the selling of the assets. So when the structure is not clear, you will have some reservations about the buying or selling. But if I get this type of structure, I tell you, I will have no fear on buying and selling it. Okay, so let's keep watching how it develops. Right now, I'm looking for buy setup from this level. I'm looking for buy setup from this level. We're starting. Like US 100, we are looking for 3 waves to move in a bigger manner. Okay, so down to 4 hours. On 4 hours, we expect something similar. So this with A, B, C to end the 4th wave. So looking for the end of the 4th wave, which will likely coincide with where we expect our previous to end. Okay, so as long as this place is concerned, as long as this place is not broken, the selling will continue down to this level to give us the complete correction. Let me go back to daily to show you something. Now, daily, let me zoom the chart. Let me zoom the chart. So if you watch, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a bigger wave 1, then A, B, C, or WXY. Wave 2, this is wave 3, and wave 4 will likely be A, B, C. So I'm expecting wave 4 to drop to that 2,200 area, or even to that 1,200 area. So expect wave 4 to get to this level before the buying. So that's why I want to show you on 4 hours, on daily. Okay, so we move to other pairs. Nifty. Nifty structure seems to be simpler to trade. Once I get this big drop, the next drop, then it will be a perfect ABC. A, B, C. And that's what I need as well for. If I get it, then I'll happily trade it. Okay, now, so okay, 4 hours. Don't need to waste time on here. So 4 hours have given us the same structure, the same look, not much difference. The only difference is that we may get another ABC here, which means okay, now the only thing is that you might have another bigger ABC like A, B, C before the drop. Okay, so I don't encourage the buy because you may get a move above here. You think that it is buying, then you just complete this ABC and drop. So I am only looking for sell, and the best way to sell is to wait for the break of this level, then you sell. Unless you can recognize sell setup from anywhere around here. Nifty Nikkei, Nikkei seems to have completed this move. So on Nikkei, there's a bit difference. On Nikkei, I'm looking for the break of this level. So buy Nikkei. Let me go down to 4 hours again. Okay. Nikkei seems to have completed the fourth wave. So you see, I have been looking for buy from here, but it made WXY. So the buy I have been looking for has started from here. So, but to be on the safe side, let's wait for the break of this channel, then we buy. Or if we get either running flat or expanding flat, then we can buy. Okay, next. Look at 100. Look at 100 seems to be the strongest of them all. There's no much selling on UK 100. So the only way I can trade this is if I get a move back towards this trend line, then I will buy. Now there's not much to sell on UK 100. Okay, nothing much to sell on that. Then wait for 3 waves, then buy. Now I'm moving to cryptos. Crypto, I will only touch few. You know, BTC is the leader of them all. The other of them all. Once BTC is going up, the rest will be going up. Once it's going down, the rest will be going down. So it will take me time. So just as I mentioned last time, but I don't expect Bitcoin to go lower than 3,000. I said it before. Some are saying it's going to 20,000, and I was laughing because I know it is almost impossible. Okay, now what do we have now? It's now showing signs of strength. This move is sharp. Let's go down to 4 hours. Okay, this move, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this I can label as wave 1 of a bigger wave. That I don't want to label it yet. Anyway, let me label. 1, 2, then somewhere 3, 4, 5, somewhere far away. Now, what do we have on Bitcoin? First, we are going to get A, B, C. That is, wait for Bitcoin to come to 40,000, 40,700, 40,000 or thereabouts before the buying. Or secondly, the wave 2 is brief in the sense it has ended here. Take it again. First possibility, this wave to give us A, B, C. Let me label it A, B, C. To give us A, B, C, which means we are getting lower. We are getting a lower price towards 40,025 and 41,137. The first option, first bias. Second bias is that the wave 2 we are expecting to end here. Have ended here. Wave 2 might have ended here. And if wave 2 have ended here, Bitcoin will go with speed. Okay, so expect price will go to 40,000. If it doesn't go to 40,000, better. These are the two things we are expecting from Bitcoin. So I'm not going to, let me check 1 hour, but there's nothing much to show on 1 hour. Okay, so that's the same thing. That's the same thing. The only thing on 1 hour is that you might get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get the wave A, which means wave A can start here. Then after that, we get wave B, and there's nothing special different on 1 hour. But bear in mind, Bitcoin will likely come down to 40,000, 41,000 before it begin to go up higher. Okay, so that's all. Let me go to Ethereum. Ethereum, you can see Ethereum has broken the channel, tested it, and it's going up. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. Now this is exactly what I meant when I said that the wave 2 we expecting might have ended here. Okay. You can see the move is strong already. Bounce on the channel and it's going up. It doesn't mean we can't get ABC. We can still get A, B, C before going up. So Ethereum can give us A, B, C, which means it can come down to 2,744, 2,700 area before the proper buying. Or it may just begin to go from here and go up. These two scenarios is what will likely play out. The next, let's touch BNB and maybe okay, XRP. XRP, one of the coins I like. Wow, very strong move. Okay. Hope have returned on cryptos. You can see XRP has taken out the last swing low. It's now making higher high. So maybe it will make its own wave 2. This is wave 4. This is wave 3. 1. Let me make a nice labeling. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this might be the end of wave 2, and the price will keep going up. So I don't have much to explain. I have explained everything needed to explain on Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin is going up, others are following it. Simple. You can see BNB now. BNB are giving us ABC at our target zone. Once here is broken, now you sing hallelujah. Once here is broken, I don't expect further move down on BNB. It doesn't mean that it won't happen. It might happen, but I don't expect it. I expect further move down on BTC, Ethereum, but BNB and XRP, I don't expect them. Okay, or if Ethereum and BTC is going down, they might go inside the waves. Litecoin. On Litecoin, I will draw the curtain for today's analysis. Almost 1 hour. Wow. Okay, Litecoin channel have been broken. What do we expect? Buy. Okay, you see what I mean by channel retest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, or maybe A, you get B and get C. I don't know. But whichever one, whichever one, we are not going down to have a new low again. That's the only thing important. We are not getting a new low on coins. We are not getting a new low on coins. Simple. No matter how it is developing now, it is planning towards a buy. Okay, so this can be the only correction we are looking for. So you can see A, B, C. The only thing there is that this wave B is not an ideal wave B, but markets can make any type of structure. It doesn't matter. Okay, but we can get buying all the way from here. Unless this is 5 waves, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get B somewhere here, then the C will drop again. Whichever one, we are buying. No more. I don't expect a new low. I don't expect a new low now. Okay, that's the end of this analysis. If you need more analysis, join my Telegram channel. You can drop the page you want me to analyze, and that will make time and analyze for you. Telegram channels is free. 2 of them, discussion channel and where I'm a broadcast, they are free. Join for free. Then if you want to learn how to trade, I will charge you a little money and add it to my students. I attend to you. I have the time to answer your questions. We also have Slack group where we record our lessons. Thank you for watching. Like and share the video. God bless you.